Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you what to do when Android phone storage is full. When your Android phone storage is full, it can slow down performance and prevent you from installing apps or saving files. This issue is usually caused by large files, unused apps, or cached data. This guide will show you practical steps to free up storage on your Android device. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Tap Storage to see what is using space. Review categories like apps, photos, videos, etc. Tap Apps to view installed apps. Find the app that has a large size, then tap on it. Uninstall apps you no longer use and confirm it. Open large apps again and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to free temporary data. Go to your Gallery or Photos app. Delete unwanted photos and videos. Then empty the trash or recently deleted folder. Open your Downloads folder and remove unnecessary files. Move important files to cloud storage or an SD card. Clear data from messaging apps if they store large media files. Restart your phone after cleaning to improve performance. Tip: regularly checking storage usage helps prevent your phone from filing up again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.